Hello, how would you like to be a sponsor for someone or a family that lives in Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, or Venezuela? Currently, the United States is offering humanitarian parole for nationals or citizens of those four countries. If you have it in your heart or you just have the desire to make a change in someone's life, and it won't be just that person's life, but this will be a generational change, and you would like to become a sponsor, please give us a call. My name is Rolande with Adolph Law Group, and we can talk you through the process of what it means and what you have to do in order to become a sponsor. Our number here is 561 660 7776. And if you can't get through, please do not give up. You can always text me. Text I want to be a sponsor at 561 254 7520. I believe together we could really use this program to make an impact, to make a change, again, to make a generational change. Thank you, and God bless you.